Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 1999 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This is the 30th anniversary edition. It's a one-owner car. We picked up this car. We got a lead from a client of ours. This gentleman was selling this car. It's a one-owner, about 2 hours outside of Houston. Absolutely beautiful. He was an elderly gentleman. This car has 8,300 miles on it. WS6 package, of course. They made 500 convertibles. This is number 461. We have all the documentation that came with this, VHS tape, all the brochures, the books, 2 sets of keys. We've got records. The tires have 1,000 miles on them. We have the discount tire receipt. It has the lifetime balance and the 4 certs, replacement warranties. We've got the wheel lock, all the little booklets, the dealership card, the warranty card, everything that came with it, the letter. We've got it. I took a picture in the gallery. You can see all of that. Car cover. I've got the top down here so you can see that we've got the plastic boot covers. These fit in the trunk in a case on the back deck. Very nice, cleans it up. Interior is absolutely gorgeous. If I had to pick this car for anything at all, there's one little wear spot on the seat, on this bolster right there. And that's it. Everything works, AC, heat, radio, headlights. One of the receipts shows that the headlight motors were replaced. That's pretty common on these old Firebirds. I think those gears are made of plastic. They just disintegrate. So that's been done. The headlights work like they should. Really nice car to drive, fun to drive. I took it to church the other day with my family. We had a good time. Gets a lot of looks, brings back a lot of memories for people. It's certainly been a collectible up to this point, and I'm sure the values will keep going up. So one owner, 8,000 miles, very clean, non-smoker, all documentation. This is an automatic car, number 461. The top is in excellent condition as well. I took pictures of that in the gallery. Go to the website, rogersmotorcars.com. That's in the description here. Give us a call, text, or email. We can work with your bank. We can do deals remotely. We can ship the car anywhere in the US. We'll make it very, very easy for you. We are 5-star rated everywhere you look. And we hope to hear from you. If you've got any questions, give us a buzz. Thanks.